Have you ever wondered how true mastery is achieved, whether in martial arts, agile transformation, or implementing AI? Imagine stepping into a dojo for the first time. You don't start by sparring with black belts, you begin with the basics. This gradual journey from novice to master is beautifully captured in a framework from Aikido that describes three stages for learning: Shu, learn and obey; Ha, break and adapt; and Ri, separate and innovate. Today, we'll explore how SHU-HA-RI applies not just to martial arts, but also to agile and AI transformations, offering a powerful guide for teams and organizations navigating complexity. Picture yourself as a musician in an orchestra, learning multiple instruments. You're excelling on the violin while just getting started with percussion. Each instrument progresses at its own pace, and that's perfectly fine. Agile transformations are similar. One team might quickly embrace agile mindset elements, collaboration, transparency, adaptability, while still fumbling with mechanics of iterative delivery. Another team might master automating processes while working to build trust with stakeholders. This nonlinear, varied growth across teams is natural and healthy. Shohari helps us understand and navigate these different speeds of progress. Let's break it down. It means learn and obey. It's the foundation stage where teams focus on practicing the basics. Think of learning to ride a bike. Falling is inevitable, and it's okay. The goal isn't to avoid all failures, it's to ensure they're safe and teach valuable lessons. In SHU, teams follow established practices closely, not out of blind obedience, but because these guardrails create a safe environment for learning. For example, adopting structured reflection and improvement practices teaches the value of continuous learning in real time. Sometimes teams only truly grasp these principles by experiencing what happens without them, like the chaos that follows poor communication. These control failures, paired with thoughtful retrospectives, build a deep practical understanding. That means break and adapt. Here, teams begin experimenting with practices and adapting them for their unique needs. For instance, a team might innovate their approaches to planning and collaboration while still relying on guidance for building trust and psychological safety. Another might deeply internalize the importance of adaptability while choosing to follow structured guidance in other areas to ensure alignment. This mixed maturity is natural and reflects growth. High is where creativity emerges, and teams begin tailoring practices to fit their unique culture and challenges. Re, meaning separate and innovate, represents fluid mastery. Teams at this stage innovate without rigidly adhering to structured approaches. Mastery isn't permanent. Teams continually return to Shu and Ha in new areas as they encounter fresh challenges. For example, they might abandon estimation for iterative development work while concurrently learning detailed estimation approaches that align better for repetitive operational tasks that require precise delivery at a timely manner. Teams and Re understand that mastery is not static, but a continuous cycle of learning and application. This stage celebrates humility, recognizing that growth is never done. In Agile and AI, where change is constant, Re reminds us to stay flexible and curious. Now let's connect Shuhari to implementing AI in your organization. Many leaders understandably feel overwhelmed by the perceived complexity and cost of AI, like developing large language models from scratch. Shuhari offers a clear path forward. In Shu, start with accessible, low risk AI tools that integrate into existing workflows. These tools, like chatbots or process automation, enhance productivity without requiring deep expertise. This stage helps your team build confidence and foundational understanding. Once comfortable, move into Ha, where your team can experiment with more tailored AI solutions like simple machine learning models designed for specific needs. Freeing staff from routine tasks during SHU creates the bandwidth and upskill, and then they can take on new challenges. Finally, some organizations may reach the re-stage, innovating with advanced AI systems like custom LLMs. However, this step is only successful if the foundational work of SHU and HI is solid. Trying to jump straight into Re, whether in Agile or AI, it's like throwing a beginner driver into a racetrack. Without mastering the basics, the result is often chaos and risk. A gradual approach ensures safe, effective progress, with each stage building on the last. Leaders play a crucial role in guiding teams through SHU-HA-RI. In SHU, teams need clear boundaries and safe spaces to fail. In HA, they need freedom to experiment. And in RE, they need autonomy to innovate. Missteps often occur when organizations skip SHU or HA, granting too much freedom too early while holding to expectations of perfect delivery. This undermines the transformation, leading to unsafe practices and frustrated teams. Remember, there is no right speed for progressing through SHU-HA-RI. Each aspect of your transformation evolves at its own pace, and that's okay. The key is recognizing where you are and providing the key right support to keep moving forward. Mastery isn't about rushing to the finish line. It's about embracing the journey, learning deeply, and celebrating progress along the way. So, where are you on your Agile and AI journeys? Are you leveraging readily available tools or feeling pressured to tackle advanced implementations prematurely? Which elements feel intuitive and which still require deliberate effort? Share your experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on building adaptive, resilient organizations in the era of AI. Thanks for watching.